If you want to block a number on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there are three main ways to do so. But first, let's open the phone app. So for example, if a phone number has been calling you and you want to block that number, we can go to Recents and then we can select that number, press this gray icon here on the right side, and then at the bottom we can press block. And then we can confirm our choice. In addition to that, we can also delete call history from this number. And there we go. Now this phone number is blocked. If you have a phone number saved in contacts and you want to block that contact, you can select the contact, press the gray icon again, tap on more in the bottom right corner and choose block contact, and then confirm your choice. And the third way allows you to enter the phone number and block it even though you don't have that phone number saved in contacts, or if that phone number didn't call you at all, then you can still block it. In order to do so, we can go to the top right corner and tap three dots, and then we need to go to settings. In settings, go to block numbers, and here we can enter the number that we wish to block, and then we can press either done or this green plus button. And this is how we can block number as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!